In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove photos and videos from your story highlights on Instagram. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Instagram app. Once you head over to Instagram, you will obviously be on your main Instagram feed. So from there, you will need to click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner to head over to your profile. Once you go to your profile, you will get a list of all of the story highlights that you have on your profile. So first of all, what you will need to do is choose the story highlight that you want to delete a photo or video from. So for example here, if I click on the tutorial one, what that will do is it will let me cycle through all of the photos and videos I have on my story highlights. So for example, if I go to the third story, which is this one here, and I wanted to delete it, all I simply need to do is click on the three dots on the bottom right hand corner, and then you will get this option here at the top for remove from highlight. If you click remove from highlight and click on remove photo, what that will do is it will remove that story from your story highlights. So it's just simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.